Alright guys, so this is my 2002 Acura RSX, and this is the new project slash kind of weekend car and everything, and it was overall pretty cheap, and yeah. But yeah, so it's in overall good condition. And yeah, that's my friend's other RSX right there. And this is what replaced the DC right here. So I'm gonna pop open the hood, check out the engine, interior, rear, and I'll tell you like some good things about it. And yeah, so let's check out the engine. All right, so this is the K20 A2, 6-speed, all stock. It's got the factory airbox and the strut bar right here, and has your typical leaks. And yeah, so everything's all stock here. It has a 2019 battery, no damage. I'm gonna go with a little detail pretty soon, but yeah, but no grinds, nothing. This thing is overall in a good condition, and I got really lucky. Got it pretty cheap. And also it has like this little sound deadening thing up here, and it's all original. Everything's here, just needs a good little detail. Here's some pine needles and little stuff here and there, but the shifter shifts smooth. 6-speed, no grinds, nothing. Alright guys, so let's look inside, and then I'll show you outside, like the detail. There it is right there. Pretty clean overall. It looked like some like old person had it for many years. Typical RSX ripped seats. These don't even fit that well. No floor mats or nothing. Factory Acura. Sound by Bose. It's got an amplifier below here, Bose audio all around, and this thing is pretty much new. Everything's nice. 9K tack. Back seat. It's all new. Everything's nice in this thing. It's got some like real mild tint. Moonroof and sunroof. All the lights work, everything. This thing's so nice. So that's I'm gonna show you the under the hatch and the exterior and everything. But yeah, but one thing though is that the shifter, it's a little bit loose, so I gotta like fix little things with this, but everything seems pretty chill right here. It's tan interior, like a grayish tan, but it's alright. The overall condition is very, very nice. Alright, so look at the rear. Everything's all pretty good condition right here. And then when you open this, it's got the factory subwoofer right there by Bose, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, so I really came up on this car, and it was super affordable. It had this back here because I didn't see it when I purchased the car, and because it was already getting dark. So it has a privacy panel. When I bought the car, it was actually missing, like in the ad, it was missing the front seat. And when I went there, I was like, okay, well, I gotta go to the junkyard, and the seat was missing. But then when I finally seen the car, the two back seats were down, and the front seat, passenger seat, was in the back. So it was actually included with the car, but he didn't say that. He just said it was missing. So that's pretty cool right there, that it actually came with the seat, and I'll show you the condition. Yeah, so typical RSX seats right there. It's alright. Just some seat cover action and it'll be good. It's got the tweeters up here. Alright guys, so this is going to be like the good, the bad, and the ugly. And it does get a little bit ugly. So these headlights, they probably got to go. I'm just probably going to get some Honda headlights. He said that they were custom, quote unquote custom, but not really my style. But I mean, they do look sporty, but it's just not me. Secondly, panel gaps are a little bit off because there's some clips missing, and I kind of want to like fix that up. Clear coat failure, and there's like some rock chips right here. And this car is from the coast, like very, very close to the coast, and the air and the water and everything there has salt, so there's little things of rust where the rock chips are, like right here, rock chips, and right there it's rusting, little rock chip. And that's the thing that sucks about cars by the beach. And there's little dents here and there, but overall very clean. So that's the bad. And then the more bad right here is that it's keyed. My nails are dirty, my bad. I've been working on this car. And yeah, it's keyed. Right here. Right there. Follow me right here. And then the worst of it is here. All the way up. But I'm going to repair all this. You guys are going to see the transformation. So yeah, so it's a little bit vandalized. Another one right here. And yeah, so that's the bad. Badges are a little bit oxidized, so I'll probably clean those up. Somebody's license plate bolt right there. But overall, it's in pretty good condition as far as the bumper. Typical fading right here. And some like rail dust or like iron. There's some very, very hardcore iron products back here, because you could see, like, I don't know if it's picking it up, but it's kind of rusting, but that's above the paint. And then the actual windows have like a lot of just debris embedded, so I got to clean the windows and polish them. Right here, there's some scratches right here, and you could see like a white hazy mark right here. That's where somebody tried to fix a scratch, but I'm gonna end up detailing everything anyways. Alright, so the good thing though is that tires are the 27th week of 2019, all the way around, brand new tires. I didn't have to buy anything. Let's see that. Would it zoom in fast? Yeah, but those are brand new tires. And then one thing that's cool, brand new brakes all the way around, brand new rotors, brand new pads all the way around. So new tires, new brakes. The wheels are pretty dang like, it's a little bit rashed. I mean, yeah, right here there's like a chunk missing, and for some reason I didn't even know that aluminum could actually rust, but these things are like pitting and rusting somehow, and they are pretty bad. I'll show you right there, and right here, like, I didn't even know that was possible for aluminum to rust, but I guess anything's possible now. New rotors, pads right there. It's overall in pretty good shape. Down the side, a few door dings, but it's straight. Again, I don't know if that's gonna show up, but I probably can't show that, but it's really no reason to prove to you guys. But new pads and rotors, I really got lucky with this. Brand new tires and rusty aluminum. So things I am planning to do ASAP is detail it, compound, polish, scratch repair. After that, it's going to be swap these headlights, rear wiper delete, rear spoiler delete, and mud flaps. These things are atrocious. Let's see, rear mud flaps and front mud flaps. This thing is not a four-wheeler. It doesn't need mud flaps, so those are gone. So that's going to overall make it look a lot more sleek and modern looking and more sportier. Then after that's going to be coilovers, wheels, and tires. Mirrors, typical rock chips. I was actually thinking about painting these. I'm gonna paint these right here. These are pretty pricey though. These things are about $100 a piece. So I'm gonna paint them real nice. I'm gonna restore the cowling, restore the wiper arms, and yeah, this one's pretty thrashed too. So I'll probably end up repainting these, or just probably painting them black, but I'll probably just keep it original, who knows. But I do kind of like these to be black. And then painting these too. And then polishing all this out, all those scratches. I don't know if that's gonna show up, but yeah, it's a bunch of little scratches where people just go with their nails. Gonna get touch-up paint right here. You'll see a video on that. I already got the touch-up paint on its way with the clear coat. But yeah guys, so 6-speed manual K20A2 RSX Type-S. Finally in the K series, gang, and it feels good. Alright guys, so this is my friend's car, same video, same day and everything, and this is my Type-S, and this is his base, and it's a beautiful blue. It's a beautiful blue, and this thing looks nice. Factory wheels, tint. He has factory lights and the visors. Kind of want to get the visors, but I'm kind of leaning towards not getting them. But yeah, so this car here looks pretty damn sweet. The two DC5s. So yeah, so if you guys want to see more videos on these cars, let me know.